Welcome everyone! In this tutorial, we will see how to draw Coolkidd from Forsaken step by step. For Coolkidd, we draw a straight line that will be at the upper part of the body. Next, we make 2 straight vertical lines leaving a blank space. And we fill the empty part with 2 curved lines. Finally, in the body we write Team Coolkidd join today. Well done! We finished drawing Coolkidd from Forsaken, and if you want, you can color him. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Here are some videos you might like. See you in the next drawing.